I love how like they just like totally pick up all the way. There's a lot of people.
Yeah, this is just the bike people too.
Right, skateboarders. Good rollerblade girl. Good time. What I love is like the differences in everybody.
Yeah. You guys want a poncho? Bringing up the rear. Daredevil. Oh God. I see red wiener.
That's right. That's right.
Oh, the tick. Nice. R.I.P. Dignity. You see that?
What was that?
Somebody has a sign on that says R.I.P. Dignity. That's good. I like that. The biker right there. It's got pockets and everything.